Hi guys, so we are at Helpston level crossing in Cambridgeshire with Joe Thorpe at night time at Helpston. There we go. Now the time is 18:57 on Saturday the 10th of October 2000. This is for our 18:57 1 Echo 21 Virgin Trains East Coast Series from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. And yes, I'm at this crossing at night time today. Look at all the floodlights. It's amazing. And we could even be staying for our 1858 1 November 65 cross-country service from Stansted Airport to Birmingham New Street. Here she is. 173.36, 638. 176.38. This is the Birmingham New Street, and we're staying. I don't know whether I'll be able to catch the number on this next service, guys, because it's the Virgin Trains East Coast on the far end. Here she is. 82 to 11. 82 to 11 to 91, 125 to London King's Cross. And up they go. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.